How to create a repository on GitHub. So for us to create a repository, we need to have an account on GitHub. So if you don't have an account, you just have to create one. So visit github.com. Then you follow the sign up procedure. Now here you notice on the home page you can see sign up button. You click on it. Then you have to provide your email, then follow the sign up process. So I have an account already. So on my home page, once you log into your account, you find this button here, this button, new button. So you click on it to create a repository, or you click on your profile, then you find your repositories. You can also create a repository through that process. So I'll be creating from the home page. Click on new, the new button, then provide the name for your repository. So I'll be calling this survey form. Survey form. So a description should be about your project. So creating a form with HTML and CSS. So it should be more descriptive, but for this purpose of this video to be short. Now you have to provide the description of your project. Then you can make it private or public, but it's better to make it public so that some other people can view your project. So you can add a readme file. A readme file is a file that contains more information about your project. So I won't be adding it, so I'll just click on create repository button here, and you can see our repository has been created. So we have survey form here. So the next thing is, how can we connect this repository with the project we have on our computer? So there's a project here, this survey form project we on the pre-code camp. So I have it on my computer. How can I connect it with this repository, or how can I push it to this repository? Now for us to do this, we need to install Git on our computer. So search for Git, then on this home page click on download. So we need to download for your operating system. I'm using Windows, so am I using a 64-bit or 32-bit? So if you go to your system settings, then about, you find if you are using 64-bit or 32-bit. You can see mine is 64-bit operating system, so I'll download for 64-bit. So you just have to click on this download button, but I downloaded it already, so I'll be showing us now. This is it. So you just have to double click on it after you have downloaded it, then you need to install it on your computer. But I won't be doing that. I've installed it already. Now the next thing is to go to your project, the project you want to push to GitHub. This is it. This is my own. Then I have to open this with GitHub, with Visual Studio Code, a code editor that I will be using. Now once you open it with Visual Studio Code, you get to the page here. Then you need to open your terminal. So you can see at the top here, you will see terminal. But if you can't see it, maybe your screen is small. Let me show us now. You just have to click on this menu icon, search for terminal, click on new terminal. So through this terminal, we'll be running some commands provided on our GitHub page. So these commands will help us to push this project to GitHub. Now the first command there is git init. We need to initialize this project for Git. So we use git init, enter. The next command is git add. So as you can see here, git add. So we are adding all the files in this project. So we have how many files? 2 files, index.html and styles.css. So git add dot, we add everything once. So the next command will be git commit. So git commit -m, then your commit message. So I'll be using first commit, which is a common commit message for a first commit. So you can use any commit message of your choice. So the next thing is git branch -m, then what branch? We are using main branch. Main branch is the default branch. So the next thing is the URL here, the git remote URL. You have to click on it, and you have to double click and copy. Just paste it on the terminal and then click on enter. So the branch has been added. The next thing now is to push it to GitHub using git push -u, then the origin main, or the branch main, enter. Main does not appear to be a git repository, so I think something is wrong. Let's do it again. Git push -u origin main, enter. Kept making mistake. Git push -u origin main. So you might experience issues along the way, but you just have to keep trying. You have to figure out what you are doing wrong, you get. But the first time you might probably make some mistakes, so you just have to check again, make sure you are doing it right. Now it has pushed to GitHub, as you can see, done 100%. So let's go to GitHub, refresh this page. You notice that the project will appear, as you can see here, 1 minute ago. So the commit message we use, it is the first commit, as you can see. So anybody can come and view your project. Just share them the link. So we can also do this also. Let's see if you experience any issue while doing this. Just message me. We'll try to find something to do about it. Thank you.